Welcome, Brendan Bears. I'm Audie.
And I'm Skylar, reporting from the BTV studio.
Today is Wednesday, September 18, 2019.
Bears, you need to vote for Brandon Wyatt for the John Wayne Player of the Week. Voting ends today at 3 p.m. Go to potg.johnwayne.com and select his name. He's down by 269 votes, so let's get the vote out. Take a look at how he did in last week's game.
Many attended the Once Upon a Time homecoming dance and had a great time. Take a look at some highlights.
FAFSA night is tonight at the Northside Activities Center at 7001 Calabria Road. Visit with representatives from NISD, UTSA, Alamo Community College District, and the San Antonio Education Partnership for a federal financial aid information session. From 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m., you can create a FAFSA ID number.
Teachers, remember $5 G Mondays are back. If you would like to participate, please fill out the form that was sent to you. If you have any questions, please see Ms. Vaughn in C208.
Bears, open house is tomorrow from 6:30 p.m. to 8:40 p.m. This year's open house will feature an 8-period visiting schedule beginning at 7 p.m. Each period will be 5 minutes, followed by a 5-minute passing period. Fifth period will be extended by 5 minutes for a PTSA Greenback donation drive. We'll also have a 20-minute bonus round following 8th period. The final bell will be at 8:40 p.m., officially ending the open house. See you there.
Last Saturday, our cross-country varsity Bears finished 3rd overall as a team, and the varsity Lady Bears finished 7th overall at the UIW Invitational Cross-Country Meet at the Live Oak City Park. Come out and support them again this Saturday at Gus Stadium at 8 a.m. Take a look at some highlights of our running Bears.
Cheerleaders will host their 10th annual cheer clinic next Saturday, September 21st, from 8:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. The cost is $35, which includes a t-shirt, lunch, a ticket to the game, and participation in a performance at the Taft game that evening. For more information, call Ms. Cynthia Farrell at 210-398-1365 or contact any Brennan cheerleader.
Our Lady Bears volleyball team fought hard yesterday against Clark but fell to them in 3 games. Their district record is now 3-3. Take a look at some highlights.
finally, congratulations to 52 of our Bears for earning AP Scholar status, 3 of whom are National AP Scholars, 4 who earned AP Scholar with Honor, and 7 who earned AP Scholar with Distinction. Ask your teachers to show you the list.
Well, this is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears, and if you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears.
We also have a link on the Brennan website.
And I'm Audie.
And I'm Skylar, signing off from BTV. Have a great day, Bears.
BTV, 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 BTV.